give importance to history, culture, heritage. Kasi if makalimutan mo na yan, kalimutan mo rin yung identity mo. Napakahalaga ng yung identity. Ang hirap, di ba? Alam mo, ikaw yung tao. Tapos, hindi mo nakilala kung saan ka nang galing, kung sino ang magulang mo. There is always that desire to know where you came from, to know who your parents are, your ancestors, no? Napaka-ano po yan, napaka-importante. And also for you to navigate your future, kailangan mo, you should know who you are. And you should also know your past. Kaya napakahalaga po yun. Bilang isang tao, at saka bilang isang bayan. As far as Pangasinan is concerned, ang unang-una yung Banahan. Pagkaupo ko, kinuha na yung Banahan Museum Project. So, pero nung mayor ako, meron na kaming cornerstone na itinatago. So basically ito rin, dito si Lolo ko, si Chief Justice Manuel Moran, si Sonia Eva Arheg, Papagan, of course si Carlos Pulusan. Na-feature na rin namin, exhibit na namin yung kanilang mga buhay. In-expand niya ito, no? In-improve niya yung surroundings ito building. Kasi this used to be the North Central area. So nilipat namin sa ibang location. Schoolless dalawa yun. And then, dito ay magiging museum. So si Mayor RG ang naglagay ng laman. At sa probinsya naman, ay dadagdagan pa natin at gagawin po natin mas maraming exhibit at mas malaki po. Well, yung mga structures around, those are new buildings. Kaya lang siyempre, as a museum complex, yung kanyang design, yung kanyang architecture, ay ibinagay na rin dito sa sura at sa kaira itong 1960 religious school building, which will now house the museum exhibits. So, si Mayor RT lahat yun during his term as mayor. Ako ito lang, ito at saka yung plaza, at saka I initiated the transfer in North Central Elementary School. Probinsya naman, we are building more museums such as this one para you can personally come and visit, see the exhibits for yourself, hindi lang nasa screen. Kasi it's really a different experience, but if you go there, personally see the exhibit, personally feel the vibe, you see it such as this. Okay ba?